So this is it guys, my first video on my brand new YouTube channel. Some of you guys may already know me from another hobby with also fish, but let me introduce myself quite shortly. My name is Ivo and I have just recently introduced to this amazing hobby that you can see here on the background. So before we start, I need to thank quite some people who helped me out in the first couple of weeks. First of all, Danny's Aquarium, another YouTuber, and I will put a link in the corner right here to his channel. Thank you, Danny, for helping me out with all your advice and help. Second of all, I need to thank some other people, like Patrick from Giesemann. Thank you so much for supplying me this amazing light. It is absolutely wonderful, and of course I will explain much more of his products in this video and of course also in future videos. And last but not least, I want to thank a small shop in the Netherlands who is getting quite big right now. Thank you so much, Aquarium Design Shop, for helping me out with this amazing aquarium. So this is the first time in a brand new hobby and a brand new area for me. So guys, I'm not an expert. I will make probably a lot of mistakes. I will probably do also things on my own way. But if you have any tips or advice, please let me know in the comments. What I will do guys, I will show you everything of my tank from start till the end when I start placing the first corals and maybe even some small fishes or other animals. Beside that, I will do some future visitings at some other people with amazing tanks. This is my journey. I want to learn from you guys. I want to learn from other people. So if you have any tips again, please let me know them in the comments. So let's get started with the first video. If you're not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, click on the bell notification. And guys, I hope to see you soon with the next video. And I hope to see some corals soon also in this tank.